Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton blasts journalists over extramarital rumors on social media.
Let me respond. First of all, that's none of your business. Just as I leave you to your private life, I'd like you to allow me mine. Thank you very much.
He has also filed a report with the police in relation to the developments.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Minister, a quick question to you. Do you have, Minister, any close affiliation with any of the directors of Market Me?
Very, very quick. Yes, I have a great relationship with Market Me. I think they're an amazing company. They have delivered very effectively during my tenure as minister. And I have no difficulty in saying that they work hard, and I have enjoyed working with them.
At any point, did the Minister, Chris Tufton, recommend Market Me to you as a supplier? That's 2. And then 3, but this one is for the Minister. You were saying a while ago, Minister Tufton, that you really, appreciate the work that Market Me does and did. I think the question that Edmund wanted to ask was maybe not answered thoroughly. So I would just want to ask it more directly. Did you cheat on your wife with any of the principals?
No, Minister.
Hold on, no, let me answer.
Minister.
Let me respond. First of all, that's none of your business. And I would prefer you stick to questions around the operations of the ministry. And just as I leave you to your private life, I'd like you to allow me mine. Thank you very much.
In a statement released by the health minister, he said, "In recent days, there has been a flood of vile, filthy and scandalous allegations and innuendos on social media aimed at besmirching and tainting my good name and reputation. These disgusting, vicious and false attributions made under the cover of social media have caused great pain and suffering and are clearly aimed at damaging my career as well as causing emotional distress. This matter has been reported to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division C-TOC of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and I have also instructed my attorneys to ensure the prosecution of these cyber criminals and in any event to seek recourse in the civil courts as and when their identities are ascertained. I realize that part of the motivation for these attacks have to do with my public office, but I will not be deterred in doing my job to the best of my ability and in service of my country."
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.